Hi, this is Alexandra at Beadaholique, here with a quick and easy earring design for you. This is the Hamesh earring, and it uses a pewter Hamsa hand bead with some Swarovski elements. I have 8mm round beads, a channel charm, and these are both the beautiful sapphire color. I've got a 2-inch eye pin, an elegant earring hook, and for tools I have chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, and flush cutters. So to begin, what I'll do is open up the loop at the bottom of my eye pin and slide on my channel charm. Close that up and bring in one of my pewter beads. It's drilled all the way through the center, and so I'm going to line up the holes of my beads by setting them onto the table, and then I'll slide the eye pin straight through that way. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to check the orientation of my bottom loop, and judging from the forward-facing channel charm, I'm going to come in the opposite direction on the top, gripping with my round plier and making an angle on that wire, coming over the top to create a wrapped wire loop. I'm going to bring in my other plier and wrap that wire around the base. And the function of this wrapped wire is to block up that hole at the top, and that will keep the hand from swiveling around. Clip off my extra, and now I'm ready to open up my earring hook just by angling that loop off to the side. I'll slide my earring on. You'll notice there's no front or back to the design because the bead has the same design on the back and the front. The channel charm is also the same on the back and the front. So there's beautiful detail there and just a very easy, simple design. I hope you enjoyed this video. All of these tools and supplies are available at beadaholique.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.